Innovative technology breaks through the unknown by means of imagination. Various puzzles in nature are breaking into our vision. This time, the exploration of footprints of nature will not be limited in depth. Aqua Robot Man Nemo, an underwater drone, unveils the novelty, fun, and mystery of the underwater world to you. The original QAS balanced driving technology allows you to freely conduct actions of various difficulties under the water. It hovers as you wish, and a wonderful panoramic view of the underwater world will be achieved. Look, it's that easy to break into the world of fish. It is also equipped with VR mode and a matching VR somatosensory package, which enables you to feel the exciting underwater world like you are just diving in the sea. Aqua Robot Man Nemo adopts the camera with a high performance of 4K, 30 frames per second, to realize HD, shoot up to 120 frames. The equipped adjustable matrix fill light bring you the picture quality of Blockbuster. Real-time transmission enables you to follow your own bent on the shore. At the same time, fish would be tracked quietly, making it easy for you to go fishing. Even if you have a wide range of interest, such as search and rescue, ship detection, scientific exploration, etc., it's always the best helper. Exploring the underwater world, sharing by one click, easy and convenient, happy and simple without boundaries.
Diving underwater is something incredible. You can see by yourself all sea world. It's amazing. It's really amazing. I like this feeling, I like this view.
It works underwater for 3 hours consecutively. The unique removable waterproof battery allows me to continue my life indefinitely. Board a plane with 2 pieces 48 WH batteries directly and go anywhere in the world without any obstacles. Aqua Robot Man Nemo is an underwater drone which incorporates the bionic curve design. The excellent Aqua Robot Man Nemo, after 3 years of arduous research and development, and the original team's continuous striving for excellence. The powerful team leaves no worries for users. Nemo turns into a telescope for you to observe the underwater world. With Aqua Robot Man Nemo, you would easily get close to the ocean, find the ocean, fall in love, and protect the ocean. Aqua Robot Man Nemo, traveling in the underwater world and exploring the infinite splendor.